Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got an exciting lineup of gadgets that you won't believe. From AI-powered earbuds to foldable keyboards, this list is packed with some of the coolest and smartest tech out there. Let's dive right in. Eco Audiobuds. To begin with, these earbuds offer a unique AI-powered listening experience. We're talking ChatGPT-powered voice dialogues, real-time translation in 40 languages, voice-to-text export, fitness tracking, offline music playback, self-tuning EQ, and 4G connectivity. Admit it, you never thought earbuds could be this smart. 2. Key Smart Compact Key Holder. Carrying a regular set of keys can be so inconvenient, too bulky, too noisy, and too cluttered. But Key Smart's sleek Swiss Army knife-inspired key organizer is the solution. Made from industrial-grade stainless steel, it stores up to 8 keys. You can even attach USB drives or keychains. Need to add a key? Just unscrew it. It's the everyday tool you didn't know you needed. Next up is the Zuko Travel Pad, your portable companion for productivity on the go. This foldable keyboard is perfect for smartphones, tablets, and laptops, with a built-in trackpad and a whopping 112 hours of battery life. Compatible with iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS, this compact gadget is all about efficiency and portability. It even comes with a free mobile stand. 4. Vany Ring. Now, this is futuristic tech at its finest. The Vany Ring lets you control your devices with just a tap or a gesture. From typing text to answering calls, scrolling web pages, and controlling media, everything is at your fingertips. It's compatible with just about any device and platform, and charges via a cradle. While it won't replace a full keyboard, it's perfect for on-the-go control. 5. Ozobot Evo. Next, meet the Ozobot Evo robot. It uses light and sound signals to communicate with you, but first, you'll need to teach it through coding. Whether you're using color codes, which don't need a screen, or the more advanced Ozobot app, this robot is an excellent introduction to STEAM learning. It recognizes objects, follows gestures, and is even small enough to fit into your Lego creations. 6. Wireless DJI Mic. Struggling with low-quality audio? The wireless DJI Mic is your answer. It records crystal-clear audio within an 800-foot range and includes dual transmitters for independent recording. With a 15-hour battery life and compact charging case, this mic is perfect for traveling or on-the-go content creation, making it a must-have for vloggers, streamers, or anyone who needs professional audio quality. 7. Ozobot Aggregate Watch. Now, this is a timepiece straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Ozobot UR112 Aggregate. Its massive titanium body and sapphire crystal domes display hours and minutes, while 2 secret dials for seconds and power reserve are hidden under a spring-loaded cap. With luminescent coating, it looks incredible in the dark. They should have called it Batman's watch. 8. Space Rocket by Magnet Driver. This screwdriver is inspired by the legendary Apollo 11 mission and comes with magnetic tips, ensuring no more dropped screw. It includes over 20 bits, plus a handy mat to keep everything organized. With 4 adjustable positions, it can reach even the tightest spaces. It's the ultimate tool for small repairs, glasses, phones, you name it. Up next is the Samsung Freestyle projector, an entire entertainment system in a single device. With auto-leveling, autofocus, and auto-keystone correction, you get a perfect picture up to 100 inches wide. The 180-degree rotation lets you project on walls, ceilings, anywhere. It even doubles as a smart speaker with 360-degree sound and can act as ambient lighting with lens caps. 10. Digital Voice Recorder. Finally, we've got the Digital Voice Recorder. It captures sound within a 164-foot range, stores recordings on 8 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable with a TF card, and automatically organizes files. With MP3 and WAV format support, it's great for lectures, meetings, or even spontaneous ideas. Compact, secure, and user-friendly, it's a handy tool for anyone needing to capture audio on the go. And that wraps up today's list of must-have gadgets. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.